Hi guys, good morning. This is Shreya and welcome back to another vlog. Hey guys, so I'm making momos tonight and I have been craving for momos since a lot of months because I was in Hyderabad. So the momos you get outside are A, very costly, and B, the quantity is very less because I need more than 6 momos or 5 momos, how much the quantity is. So I like to make my momos at home, and even though it takes 2 hours to make them, I'm still gonna make it today. Yeah, let's get started. And sorry for wearing the same t-shirt. Like I said in my last vlog, I don't have any clothes here, so bear with me. I'm gonna wear different clothes when I go to Hyderabad, obviously. So yeah, let's make momos. Now the step one would be to cut the vegetables. So the things you need are cabbage, onion, garlic and ginger for the stuffing of momos. And for red chutney, for the spicy red chutney, you need tomato, red chili, some garlic, and yeah, just blend them up in a mixer. So guys, here is the stuffing. I didn't really shoot the procedure because it already takes like 2 hours to make because I make it alone, and I'm waiting for my mom because all the things are in the mixer. My mom to गणेश चतुर्थी के दिन ये लोग गरबा खेल रहे हैं. Here you can't hear the music. So a few months back I made this red chutney. I put the stuffing in and turn on the mixer. Guess what happened? All the stuffing was in my kitchen, on the walls, on the floor. I sound like so dramatic, but it was at that time. So I'm just really scared to use the mixer, so I'm waiting for my mom because she will blend that for me and then I'll make the chutney. Till then I'm gonna make the momos. So yeah, that's what I came here to tell you. And I'm sweating because the fan is off. Otherwise, if the fan is on, the voice, you will hear the voice of the fan. So yeah, and here there's like a cute teddy there. Can you see a red teddy? That's not mine guys, it's my sister's. This one is not like bad, but this one, the stuffing is coming out. I don't know what is happening, but I'm gonna try to make one in front of the camera. Let's try. Oh my god guys, I got that right. The trial ones are always bad. So yeah, here's the good one. Have it. Oh, I need to cook these first. Guys, here are my momos. Don't look at the shape, not my best work. But I'm very hungry, so I'm just gonna get to eat now.
The next day.
So today is Ganpati visarjan, so I decided to go and see all the Ganpati Bappa's murtis, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. as you guys can see, I'm still here. I didn't go back to Hyderabad. The past Shreya didn't know that she's going to get sick and she'll have to stay here for another week. Like, the week is almost over. I'm leaving tomorrow in the morning at 7 o'clock. My train is early in the morning at 7 o'clock. And as you guys saw, I had pav bhaji right now because my mom specially made pav bhaji for me because I'm leaving. And also it's Sunday today, so my mom always makes something special on Sunday. So yeah. So yeah, let's go back to Hyderabad. All packed. Just look at how the sky is filled. It's going to rain very heavily. I hope it's not raining tomorrow. I'm gonna fry these and make little paneer fingers. My dinner's ready, guys. Let's taste. Yes, I'm a chashmish now, but the lens is reflecting the windows.